shit. Alright guys, we are in New York Auto Expo 2022. That's the Ford lineup over there. Those are all IC engines. We are here for our electric vehicles. Yes, Ford has bring up I think 4 models. That's the Mustang Electric. Behind it's 150, Ford Electric 150. Let's check out the Ford Mustang Electric. This is it. It's empty. Ford Mustang Electric. Yep, I'm going to sit in it. Yeah, Tesla does like. Okay, so here are the Ford Mustang Electric specifications. Oh shit, no shit, let's check out the price. Oh my god. Oh shit. Yeah. This is how the car looks from behind. If you enter, that's the LED panel. That's a big one, and this is a seating. That's a pretty huge trunk. Okay, so to open it, like this. Cool shit. Oh shit, this is cool. You can see this is the screen. Wow. It's a big one. We got a sunroof. Shit. And coming out. It's closing it. This is the button. How cool it is. This is how it feels.
Let's do the visor test. 1, 2, 3, pass.
Good. It's good. This is a front. You can take it. Alright, so let's go. This thing looks so freaking cool. You won't believe it. Oh my god. I love this one. Now let me go and show you the Ford 150 truck. The 150 which is gonna be a very famous pickup truck.
Hey, you, right next to that Maverick. I did it, yes, you. Any idea how many electric vehicles Ford has put on the road? 1 million. Globally, Ford has sold over 1 million electrified vehicles since 2004. So we know a thing or two about electric. And today, we're here to show you how different electrical vehicle options work, and just to help you decide which one's going to be right for you, you, and you.
It's a hybrid?
Now first, here's a little pop quiz, so take your phones out and let's scan that QR code to begin. Oh, I love a good game.
Oh my god.
Let's join in.
This is a good one. Alright.
Welcome. Alright, number 1, true or false? A front-wheel drive Ford Maverick is able to haul 1,500 pounds of mulch for your home
small truck pickup.
or garden. True or false? Let's lock in those answers.
How it looks.
Ready? Number 2. With a full charge and a full tank, the Ford Escape plug-in hybrid has enough range to go from New York to the Pocono Mountains,
That's a Ford 150.
Vermont, or Roanoke, Virginia.
The Ford 150,
That's
guys.
kind of tricky. Hi, kids. Hi. Welcome. Number 3. How long does it take to charge an extended battery Mustang Mach-E from 10% to 80% at a DC fast charging station? 45
Now,
minutes.
next we have
2
this one.
hours. 6.5 hours.
This truck which you are seeing right behind me, that's a Ford 150. But this one,
So let's explore how they work and
that's
see what they can
the
do for you.
Alright, so
Check it out.
it's high. Okay, it has good clearance. And this is how it looks. Interior.
1,500 pounds of mulch for your home retardant. And that's enough for 38 40-pound bags. Now I know our friend right there with the hat is pretty surprised, but it's true. Plus the Fordmaveric hybrid, the whole hybrid with the EPA estimated range.
This is about it. Okay? You guys can scan the QR or else you can do this. This was the e-transit which you saw. Let me show you the pickup truck of Ford. Here as you're seeing this is a Ford Lightning. This is the behind of the vehicle. It has a step to get inside. And this is it. F-150 Ford Lightning.
So the answer to question number 2 is
That's the charging socket.
fully charged and gassed up. The Escape plug-in hybrid is
Yeah.
super efficient with an EPA estimated range of 482 miles.
Here I can actually sleep in it because that trunk is way big.
All 3 spots in your Escape plug-in hybrid without ever stopping.
Now
the plug-in
let me show you the inside of it. So this is a whole Ford booth. Over there it's all IC and over here it's all electric. So you guys just saw the Ford. Now let me show you in the next video about Nissan. Yep, Nissan has also come up with pretty sexy and very cool vehicles. So I'm going to show you all of that in the next video. Stay tuned.